Hi, this is Shivam Chopra. I gave CAT in 2018 and scored a percentile of 99.2. I got calls from IIM Bangalore, Lucknow, Kozhikode and FMS. I was able to convert IIM Lucknow and Kozhikode. Thank you Ashish sir for your help, and you have been very instrumental to my success. A couple of suggestions that were very personal for me from Ashish sir were to maintain a copy or notes containing all the critical LRDI questions that I solve all throughout the year, and later refer all those questions once I have completed my syllabus and also my practice tests, thus having a dictionary or a bible of all the LRDI questions. Thank you Ashish sir for your help. Train with Ashish, success or nothing.